Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Monday, April 15, 2013. For the Volatility Index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio, we have a bearish reading in general, and we also have a bearish reading for April, May, June, August, and September. The important ones, April, May, and June, which was bearish, and bearish, with 42, 36, and 17% of the total premiums paid. For the markets, here we have the daily chart for SPY. Here you can see here we have a huge drop today, 2.32% for the day. I'm looking here for maybe lower prices, looking for the next target would be this 50-day moving average of 144.05. So that's what I'm looking here. But tomorrow we could maybe see a bounce here, try to go for the 156. With it sold off quite a bit today and finishing at the lows of the day. If we go to the Qs, here we have the daily chart for the Qs. Also a bad day here, down 2% for the day. I'm also looking for a test of that 50-day moving average around 68.14. So that's what I'm looking here for the Qs. Eventually, I think we're going to break that and go even lower to test the 68, 67.9 level. If we go to IWM, one of the worst performers here, IWM down 3.77% of the day. We talked about the 88 level. We're pretty close there. I still think we're going there. That was here, this previous low, 88.80. That was our target. I think we're going there. We also have to test this 100-day moving average of 88.49. So I'm bearish here on the markets. As for gold, another huge sell-off here for gold. Down almost 9% for the day. And as you can see here, very bad here. If we go to the, let's go here to the 2-year chart. And this is a weekly chart for gold. I think we have potential to get here to this one. We need to go to a 5-year chart on gold to go to the levels we're at right now. It's very impressive here, the sell-off we had. I'm looking for a test of these highs. Around 130 is going to be my level, and 127 is going to be the next target. So I'm pretty bearish here. I think we're going to continue to go lower here for GLD. For silver, pretty much the same pattern. We were down 12.6% down for the day in silver. And as you can see here, this chart, I'm looking for lower prices, looking for a test of these levels here for around if we go to this 10-year chart or even 20-year chart for SLV, you could see here we're coming back to this norm here of this previous high. Around this high was 20.73. I think that's the next target, and eventually we'll get to 1940. So that's what I'm looking here for SLV. Now let's go again to this 3-month chart, and let's look at Apple. Here we have the daily chart for Apple, down 2.3% for the day, almost breaking the 419 level we've been talking about. This was this previous low here. I think we're going to break it tomorrow. I would get bearish below that 419 level with a tight stop, looking for 400. Google. Here we have Google chart. We were down 1% here, not as bad as the market. But again, I'm thinking we're coming to test this previous highs here. Around 465 is going to be the next target for Google. That's what I'm looking. If we go to Amazon, here we have the Amazon chart, down 1.9% for the day. I think we're making another high here, test, and then we'll eventually come and test this here 255 level for Amazon.